welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Angela. Today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, but before we get into that, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and give this video a thumbs up because it does help me out and I do post new videos every single week and I would love for you to join our YouTube family. With that being said, I'm going to be recreating this very pretty glam yet simple pink Valentine's Day look right here. Last year I did go for a more classic bold red lip vibe, so if you're looking for that this year, I will put the card to that video somewhere in here so you can go watch that one instead if you're going for that look this year. But today I was really feeling the pinks, so yeah, I'm really happy with the way it came out. Like I said, I think the pink tones came out really beautiful. I did use the James Charles palette to create this look. You do not need that palette though. You can really use anything that has similar colors. That's what I do when I follow makeup tutorials. If I don't have the one they're using, I just use what I have and it usually works out fine. So if you are interested to see how I got this very bubblegum, very cutesy Valentine's Day look, then just keep watching. So the first thing I did for this eye look, which is really simple, is I just went in with the color Canvas right here, kind of like as a base on my entire eyelid. And then next what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the color Punch Me from the James Charles palette, kind of in the outer crease to use it as a transition color. So the way I apply my product has really changed since I first started my channel. If you guys can see, I don't brush back and forth right away. I really pack it on until I get it where I want it, and then I start blending upwards. Next, we're going to go in with the color Mary. We're using it as a transition shade as well, so we're going to do it the same way we did the color Punch Me. Next, we're going to go in with this really pretty bright pink shade called Skip, and we are doing the exact same thing that we just did with the two transition colors. We are going to pack it into place until we have the color placed where we want it, and then we will blend it up. Next, I'm going to go in with these really two pretty pink shimmer shades, Literally and Sister. I just really overlap them and put them on my eyelid to create that really pretty shimmer. So first, I'm just taking Literally, which is the darker of the two pink shimmers. I'm just putting it on my eyelid. Don't worry if it's not perfectly blended right now. We can go back and clean up. So I kind of like to bring it up a little bit and blend it in to the color Skip, but I don't bring it all the way across. And then I'm going to go into the lighter shimmer color, Sister, and do the same thing. And then I'm going to go back in with Skip and just kind of blend it in a little bit with the shimmer so it doesn't look so harsh. So I'm just kind of like lightly blending it in to where the shimmer ends. And then next what I did was I took a little bit of the bright color Skip and I put it in the inner corner of my eyes. Then I took a little bit of that shimmer color Literally and went over it. And then I did take a little bit of my highlighter as well by ColourPop in the color Flexitarian on my pinky finger and put it over that as well, because it just kind of really gives it this like pretty metallic pink type of look in the inner corner of my eye, which is what I was going for. Then I took the color Skip again and put it underneath my eye area, kind of to give it like a little bit more of a smoky effect. So I'm gonna go apply a white eyeliner in my waterline. I don't think you guys need to see me do that on camera. I'm done with the eyeshadow part, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my face. I've been baking for a bit. If you want to see like my full on like foundation, contouring, all that stuff routine, let me know. I can do an updated video on that, but for the purpose of this video, I really just want to focus on the eyeshadow and the lip look for this look, and then I'll come back and we will choose a lipstick together. So I'll be right back. So I finished the rest of my makeup, and for the lip look, I'm gonna do something really simple. So I'm actually going to go in with my MAC lipstick. It's like a icicle type of color. It's actually called Glaze. So it's kind of like a really frosty type of color, which I think is really pretty and will go really well with the pink. I am very white, so this color can tend to wash me out a little bit. So what I like to do is I like to go over it with like a tinted gloss. So that is what I'm going to do, and it can be any type of gloss that you want. Doesn't have to be super fancy. So I thought that was washing me out a little bit, so I went and grabbed my Glossier lip tint in the color Zip, and I just put it right over what I just did, and it kind of just helped add a little pinkish tint to it and make it look a lot better and like I have some color to my face. But yeah, let me go ahead and zoom out so you guys can see the final look. All right guys, so this is the finished look. I'm actually really happy with the way this turned out because I did not plan this video at all. I kind of just sat down and started playing with my makeup and this is what happened. I usually go for more red tones on Valentine's Day, but I really like the very, I don't know, I just love how pink and bright and bubbly it feels. I never do looks like this and I really like it. I think it looks very simple, but also at the same time very glam because of the bright pink, but the very subtle lip just kind of gives it that balance. If you're looking for more of a bold red lip classic look for Valentine's Day, I did do a look like that last year on my channel, and I will go ahead and put a card somewhere up there if you want to go follow that. But something I didn't have last year, which is this amazing red lipstick that I didn't use in this tutorial today because I just wasn't going for that look, but I got this NARS lip gloss for Christmas and it is called Star Woman. If you guys want to see what it looks like, if you follow me on Instagram, if I am wearing a red lip in any of my recent photos, it is this one right here, which is absolutely gorgeous, and there's a hair stuck to it, that's gross. But you guys get the picture. So if you're looking for a really good, beautiful bold red lip for Valentine's Day, I would definitely recommend NARS Star Woman. It is gorgeous, I am obsessed. But that's really all I have for you guys today. I really hope that you enjoyed this very simple, pink, bubbly Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, and if you do recreate this look, I would love to see it. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, please make sure you do that so that we can connect on there, and I would love for you to tag me in your post if you do try and recreate this look, because I would love to see it. But I am gonna stop talking now, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!